In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about what customers see in HoneyBook from the client's perspective. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of the client view, ensuring a seamless experience for both you and your customers. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your project within the HoneyBook interface. This is where all the magic happens. It's essentially the control center where you manage everything related to your customer engagements. Once you're in the project, look around to familiarize yourself with the layout and tools available to you. It's important to be comfortable navigating this area to effectively manage your client interactions. Now, to actually see how your project will appear to your clients, you'll want to tap on the Preview button. This is the crucial step in understanding the client's point of view. By clicking, you'll be instantly transported into the client view, giving you a first-hand look at what your customers will experience when interacting with your content, documents, and communications through HoneyBook. This preview mode is not just a look into how things appear, it's a way to ensure everything is clear, professional, and makes sense from a client perspective. While in client view, take note of how each element is displayed. For instance, check if the branding is consistent with your business and if the layout is intuitive. Consider how easy it is for your client to navigate through the proposals, contracts, or invoices. This is your opportunity to ensure that their journey from start to finish is smooth and aligns with your service standards. Additionally, while in this preview mode, pay attention to details such as font size, color contrast, and spacing. Ask yourself questions like, is everything easy to read? Are important details highlighted effectively? This is your chance to make any necessary adjustments. After all, client satisfaction can often hinge on these subtle design and usability choices. As you explore further, remember this. Every change you make in your project management area should be double-checked here in the client view. The convenience it offers allows you to spot-check and rectify any potential misalignments before they impact your client relationships. Another helpful tip is to occasionally refresh your view in various devices to see if mobile, tablet, and desktop presentations are consistent and equally efficient. The experience should be fluid and straightforward across all platforms. By following these steps, you ensure that your clients have a seamless and pleasant experience when engaging with your material through HoneyBook. A smooth client experience can build trust, enhance your professional image, and ultimately contribute to long-term business success. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful and empowers you to optimize your client interactions within HoneyBook.